We're in the middle of winter, and that means it's still soup season. And today we're making one of my faves, creamy, velvety, delicious curried butternut squash soup. This soup is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and flavor. It's perfect for a chilly day and easy to make even on a busy weeknight. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to be using simple ingredients. Start by prepping your ingredients. It really doesn't matter whether you chop, dice, or mince these because it's going to end up in a blender. But I like to dice because it'll be easier to blend and make for a smoother consistency. A trick to easily cut and cube butternut squash is to slice off the ends and use a fork to prick some holes in it and heat it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Poking the holes allows steam to escape and makes the squash easier to cut and peel. Once everything is prepped, heat up the oil over medium heat in a large pot and add the onion and a little salt. And let that cook until they start to turn brown. Then add in the red curry paste, ginger, and garlic, and the butternut squash. Let that simmer for about 15 minutes until the squash is soft, then turn off the heat and add the coconut milk, tofu for some extra protein, and lime juice, and blend. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can pour this in a blender and blend until it's smooth. And you're all done. Top it with some peanuts, cilantro, and crushed red pepper and enjoy the satisfying bowl of comforting goodness. The full recipe is linked below on my website, K.Camille'skitchen.com. And if you've tried the recipe, please rate it on my blog and the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love it if you'd like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more plant-based recipes and inspiration. You can also find me on Instagram at K.Camille's Kitchen. Till next time.